Hey, welcome to Performance Reviews, where I give you the review from the technician's point of view. And today I have a cordless Henry, the latest cordless Henry. So let's unbox them and see where we're at. The box is held together. Nice smiley face on the box. Adequate packing material. And that's all that's in the box. Really plain. The little tips on vacuuming. That's probably important. As you can see, this is a fairly compact package. Very portable. Let's see what's inside. He comes off. Very simple right there. We have a full set of tools. They appear to be high quality. Well, let's go through the high quality tools. We have a hose. It's kind of short, to be honest with you. You might not get in everywhere you want. Short wand as well, right there. Oh, would you look at that? Everything, there's no button lock on this. Everything's just friction fit right there. Everything just goes together. Switch is right there. Oh, excellent airflow. I mean, tons better than like a Kirby or something like that. This is just wonderful. And the lid just opens up, easy access. Not very good filtration though, a little bit concerned about that. We'll have to particle test it later. Easy handle, easy maintenance. Maneuverability. I really wish they had put full casters on the front of this, but it is nice they include a crevice tool. Let's see how it does on pet hair. Maybe if we directly connect the hose. Yep. Not very well. There's not much working vacuum on this one. Let's try some breakfast cereal. Yeah, this little Henry will do the breakfast cereal. Might be a bit much for this poor little guy. Henry balances excellent on stairs and maneuvers very well on stairs. He's not going to fall off them at all. I wish they had included a handheld turbo brush. That really would have made this the perfect stair vacuum. But being cord-free, it made it quite excellent on stairs as well. His compact size is excellent for getting under beds. He fits under just about any beds, even the tighter beds. And the floor tool has more than enough room to fit under a bed or a tight area. On the couch, he did struggle a little bit to pick up the pet hair, as to be expected, but he does fit and maneuver well. I don't believe this version of Cordless Henry could replace your mains vacuum, but he's a very nice addition for quick pickups. I'm pleased to report his wheels are non-marring on wood floor as well. Well, Cordless Henry desktop version isn't as powerful as the regular Cordless Henry, but he sure is cute and fun. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and have yourself a great April Fools.
You tortured my Henry.